Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use the timeline function in the NotebookLM. So this function is a great tool to organize your knowledge and summarize things from your sources. So in the first step, let's open the notebook. Then add your source. You can add the YouTube link, website, or copy your text, or just upload the PDF file. Then select the sources that you want to make the timeline and click on the right side this button. Tap on the timeline, and now we have to wait a few seconds. Okay, our timeline is ready, we can open it, and as you can see there you have the summarized timeline about everything what is inside your source. There we have also the characters, and that's it. This works. Thanks for watching. It was like or comment, and goodbye.